Hey y'all, this is the long-awaited penny cleaning challenge. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see what product will clean our pennies best. This is if you're really bored and you wanna clean your parents' pennies. See, they just look regular old pennies like this. And we're gonna see which one they're gonna do better in. So we're gonna put one in the vinegar, just any kind of vinegar. We're just gonna put it in a little plastic container, fill it to cover it. We're gonna put one in dishwashing liquid, doesn't have to be a name brand. And we're gonna cover one with ketchup. And then we're gonna try one with ketchup and salt. So what you do is you put each one of the pennies in these different ingredients and you let them soak for at least 10 minutes or so. So I have been letting these soak. So I'm gonna get the first one out. It's gonna smell a little bit. This is the penny, oops, where's my cloth? That has been soaking in vinegar. I'm just gonna wipe it off. And we'll do a before and after kind of picture. Are we? Yeah, because we've got some older ones that look just like it when it went in. Okay, there's penny number one. We'll put it down here. And then we'll do the one that's been in the soapy water. I don't know which one's going to be the cleanest. We'll see here. Ooh, that got off a lot of stuff. Okay. And then the ketchup one, I should have thought about this. I'm going to have to soak it in water. So hold on. We're going to rinse it off with some water real quick. And see how this one looks. Okay. Which one do you think got the cleanest so far? Then we're gonna do one with the ketchup. Guess what? I can go rinse it off again. I'll just rinse it off in this water. And I'm gonna use a little bit of salt. And what do you think the salt's gonna do for it? Just gonna cover it in there. I'm just going to give it a nice scrub. Scrubby scrub. And then we'll rinse it off. So take your guess. Which one do you think got the penny the cleanest? The one that just soaked in the vinegar? The one that soaked in the dishwashing liquid? The one that sat in just the ketchup? Or the penny that sat in the ketchup and then got a little scrub with some salt? Okay, think about it. And I'm gonna put the pennies before so you can see the difference in them. All right, so right here, we have the penny. This was done in the vinegar. This was done in the dishwashing liquid. That's before, this is the after. This was done in the ketchup. And this one was done with the ketchup and the salt. And that's the before. That's the before of that one. So, did you guess that the one that we did with ketchup and salt would be the cleanest? Let's just do one more experiment. This is one that's been soaking in the vinegar. So what happens if we take that same penny, and we put a little bit of salt on it, and we give it a little scrub bath? Think it's gonna shine up? We'll see what it does. Shiny shine. And let's just rinse that off. I'll wipe it off. Okay, we're going to take the same one that's been done in the dishwashing liquid, give it a little bit of a scrub.
You still have salt on your hand, so you can just use that instead
of
wasting it.
Scrubby scrub scrub. You think the salt's helping it out? We're going to give them all equal chances to be scrubbed by the salt with either the vinegar, the dishwashing liquid, or the ketchup, and we're going to see which one looks the prettiest, the shiniest. Do you think it made a difference? Or you think there's still going to be one that's the shiniest of them all? Almost finished here. And this experiment, you should have all these things at home already. It doesn't cost anything to do this because you should have some vinegar at home. I'm sure you have some dishwashing liquid and ketchup and salt. But make sure you do this with your parents' help because you don't want to make a big mess. All right, do you think it made a difference with the salt? Do you still think there's going to be a penny that's shinier than the rest of them? All right, so let's look back down here. Selah, would you do the honors? All right, so this one is shinier. That was the vinegar one. This was the dishwashing liquid, and this was the one that was the ketchup and the salt. So I'm thinking, which one do you think got the cleanest?
The first one we did with the salt.
Yeah, I think the acid from the tomatoes and the salt, the abrasiveness from that made it get really clean. That was a fun experiment. I'll see you later. Bye.